Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Ram 1500 ST Quad Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black. It looks great. You do have the chrome accenting up front as well as your chrome bumper. You do have halogen quad headlights right there, and coming around the side we do have our 17-inch rims with our tires there. Lots of tread left on them, and the rims look very nice as well. Heated exterior mirrors right up here, and the running boards along the bottom to help you up into the vehicle. Now you do have a 6-foot box back here. You get that 4x4 badging as well as the chrome bumper. Now we can open it up as long as it's unlocked, just like this. Looks great back here. It does have the box liner on it, so nothing will be getting scratched up back here. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. You got your panic button up there. But let's unlock and take a look on the inside. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. Handle here and another one, and some storage just down there. Looks great in here. Very nice seats, very comfortable as well. Nice for long car trips. You do have the controls over your lights right over here. So your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And right up here, we have the control over our high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up now. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. In the center it does say how many kilometers we have, 74,000, not too bad at all. And you do also have the temperature outside. Now you can switch that around a bit to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your messages, screen setup, your settings, and then you can turn the menu off if it was too bright. That is controlled from right here. You have your horn in the center and your cruise control options on the other side. You got your gear shift right here like that. And then over here we do have our radio. So we have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM all in there. As well as we have our media tab if we have one hooked up through our aux cord or whatnot. Then we have our info here, our ABC. You have your different presets down here. You have your volume up and down with the off. You do have your skip and your mute, as well as the audio, menu and back buttons, and your browser over there. You got the controls over your 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low. And then we have our hazard lights, our power up and down with the circulation, AC and heat. Then you also over here have where it's going to blow out of. You do have some storage just in there. And over here we do have 3 cup holders with our armrest that has some coin holders there, as well as a USB and an aux cord plug-in right there. Then you can also lift this up. You got some storage you have another seat underneath there. It does seat 6 people all together. Then you got your top layer glove box up there, and your bottom layer right there with your owner's manual inside of it. Okay, let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here, you do have the control of your windows and your handle. Looks great back here as well, very soft, same material as the front. You can lift this up, and you got some storage just underneath there, as well as some cup holders. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2014 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.